We want you to succeed with the prop farming blueprint. Our refund policy is a series of carefully designed requirements called the plan, which we believe will give you the highest chance of success. Here's how our refund guarantee works. 1. What's covered? If you don't get funded with a prop firm using the prop farming blueprint within your first 10 challenge attempts, you can get a full refund of your membership fee, plus an additional 50% of your membership fee. 2. Strategy criteria. You must use a strategy from the prop farming leaderboard that has an average volume of no more than 30. No manual intervention allowed. 3. Challenge attempts. Only one challenge attempt per week counts towards the 10 attempts. You may start multiple challenges in a single week, but just be aware that only one of the challenge attempts per week is allowed to be counted towards the 10 attempts. One-step challenge attempts do not count with the exception of the E8 Pro one-step challenge. 4. Start times. You must start your challenge at the appropriate time, which is at the weekly market open, Sunday at 5 p.m. EST for weekly strategies, and at the daily market open, Sunday through Thursday at 5 p.m. EST for daily strategies. 5. Coach intervention. After 3 failed challenges, you must meet with your success coach. They'll guide you and help plan your next steps. 6. Titan version. You may use any Titan X or Titan AC version as long as you can duplicate the leaderboard results for your chosen strategy, and as long as it does not have any critical bugs. Please be aware of any known bugs by staying up to date in the Discord announcement channel and also in the known bugs channel. You will be responsible for managing these bugs. Meanwhile, any sudden unknown bugs that were not previously announced that cause you to fail your challenge will be counted as a failed attempt towards the guarantee. 7. Trade copiers. Any challenge attempts where a trade copier is used will only be counted towards the guarantee as long as the trade copier executes the strategy as expected. For example, if there is an issue with the copier where it does not place or close trades as expected and a challenge is failed as a result, this attempt will not count towards the guarantee. 8. Final steps. If you fail 10 challenges, chat with your success coach again. They'll review your last 7 attempts to make sure all of the above requirements were met. If so, then you can choose to have your membership fee refunded plus the additional 50% of the membership fee. Make use of the refund policy and give it a try. Go to bit.ly/fxibot and use the name Brian Estrada as the person who referred you. I will help guide you all the way through until you get used to getting prop firm payouts. As a bonus, I'll buy your first $25,000 prop firm challenge and refund you the challenge fee once you get proof of payment. I'll give you a free Martinagel expert advisor used to grow small live accounts and a free one-on-one session on a swing trading manual strategy for absolute beginners and not needing to know anything about investing.